Now, it's been a long time in coming, but are we now near a conclusion for Manchester United? It's certainly not over yet. Jim Ratcliffe appears to be head in the race to acquire Man U. The British entrepreneur is ahead of the other party thought to be nearing an offer to take over the New York-listed club, Sheikh Jassim bin Hamad Al Thani. This stock is traded in the United States. I want to show you what happened late yesterday. We saw some volatility, expecting some sort of developments. Both Ratcliffe and Sheikh Jassim have submitted multiple bids for United since the club owners' Glazer family announced they were seeking strategic alternatives last November. The process has gone quiet over the last few months, though, after a decline for final bids passed. You can see the early indications where we saw bids coming through in November last year. As I said, it's a long time in coming, and the market's got a little bit sort of fed up with the whole thing. And I think some people thought the Glazers just weren't serious in doing anything about it. But it certainly appears now possibly that we could well end up with some sort of offer coming through. Some reports suggest that Ratcliffe could acquire an initial 25% of the club in a deal which would value United at around $6.1 billion, £5.1 billion. The sale of the minority stake is favoured by the Glazers, who would remain in charge with such a deal. But would Jim Ratcliffe be happy with that? I think it's a question of watching this space and certainly watching the stock at the start when Wall Street gets underway later on.